True innovation is a rarity, but there are times when we're introduced to a product so revolutionary, it inspires an industry-wide paradigm shift. This is that time, and the Speed Queen front-load washer is that product. It's more balanced, quieter, smoother, faster, more efficient, and more user-friendly than any washer before it. Everything you know about front-load washers is a thing of the past. No lost efficiency due to unbalanced loads. No noisy machines disturbing nearby residents. No wasted utilities. It's time to expect more from your laundry machine. The Speed Queen front-load washer. It's everything you never knew it could be.